Hello mga ka-kitchen! Welcome back to Kitchen Time with Ana. Ngayon, magluto tayo ng creamy truffle pasta. Let's start! So first, sa kumukulong tubig, lutuin na natin doon ang 300 grams of penny pasta. Lagyan din ito ng asin. Then once in a while, haluin natin para hindi magdikit-dikit. Next, i-prepare na natin yung mushroom. I'm using white button mushroom. Kapag may nakita kayong mga dirts, ay i-wipe out nyo lang ito. Huwag nyo siyang huhugasan. Then i-slice ko to ng dalawang uri. Yung isa, tatadtarin ko, and then yung isa, strips lang. Next, magtadtad na tayo ng 6 pieces of garlic cloves at kalahati ng sibuyas na puti. Then, once everything is ready, sa inyong non-stick pan, lutuin na ang mga mushroom. Hindi tayo gagamit dito ng cooking oil kasi gusto natin na mag-evaporate na muna lahat ng water content ng mushroom para hindi siya maging mushy. Kapag okay na, iset lang natin siya sa gilid ng ating pan, then saka tayo maglagay ng olive oil to saute our garlic and onion. Kapag nag-soften na yung garlic and onion, i-combine na natin dito sa pag-saute yung ating mga mushroom. Then, turn the fire into medium at ilalagay na natin yung 250 grams ng all-purpose cream. Haluin lang natin gently para maging well combined. Then, we'll add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Haluin lang natin hanggang sa maging melted na yung butter at maging fully combined na with the cream. Then, isiso natin to with 1 tablespoon each of dried basil and parsley. Gently mix this. So, kapag naging well combined na, dagdagan na rin natin to ng about a teaspoon of black ground pepper. Mix until well combined. Then, season it also with some salt. Finally, we can now add our cooked penny pasta. I-mix lang natin hanggang sa maging fully coated na siya ng ating sauce. Then, dagdagan din natin to ng 2 tablespoon to 3 tablespoon of the pasta water. And finally, the last step is adding our truffle oil. Yung quantity ng truffle oil will be dependent on you kung gaano kayo ka-generous kasi nga medyo expensive ito. So, itong nilalagay ko is about 2 tablespoons of it. At this point, pwede nyo ring tikman para kung may kailangan kayong i-adjust with the seasonings before you turn off the fire, you may do so. And just like that, you can now serve this creamy and delicious truffle pasta. Top it with some parmesan and perfect na perfect na. I hope you can try this mga ka-kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.